200 million on lobbying to shape energy policy that's warping our atmosphere, warping our democracy to buy off Mitt Romney plus Capitol Hill. No more ice in the Arctic, so it's drill, baby, drill. When Congress is straight sponsored by coal, oil, and gas, you best believe they won't let a single climate bill pass. Dirty lobby writes a check and Congress writes them one back. 30 million in subsidies for more smokestacks, for more asthma attacks, for turning the Gulf black. We give them 6 times the tax breaks we give to renewables. No wonder people say wind and solar ain't doable. A crucible to keep green energy on its knees to appease fossil fuels, but the scientists agree that if we let the earth warm right above 2 degrees, we hit tipping points, can't stop rising seas. 200 million climate refugees by 2050. Immigration reform looks a bit more tricky. West Nile makes its way to your town and your city. Listen close, cause the next math ain't so pretty. 20 years, 100 million dead from dirty energy. So ask yourself, who's the real public enemy? Brazil to Islamabad, Chad to Somalia. It's time to wake up, cause your grandkids are calling you. A revolution of the mind, a revolution of the heart. From the Keystone blockade to those West Virginia ramparts. Get organized, then turn off your TV. Join the global mass movement to be fossil fuel free.
We are a flexible and innovative species, and we have the capacity to adapt and modify our behavior. Now, we most certainly have to do so if we're to deal with climate change. It's the biggest challenge we have yet faced.
The same thing that keeps the earth warm, CO2 may make the earth too warm. It holds in heat. Methane, chlorofluorocarbons, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. They all trap heat. Methane, chlorofluorocarbons, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. They all trap heat.
It is important that the world get together to face the problems which attack us as a unit.
The evidence is clear.
The globe is getting too warm.
We can avoid climate catastrophes. We can do this. We can change the world. Science offers us answers to these huge challenges.
It's one global ecosystem.
We can do this. We can change the world.
Every single thing every one of us does affects everybody all over the world. It's one global ecosystem. Warm, wet, cold or dry, climates all start in the sky. Warm, wet, cold or dry, climates all start in the sky.
When the CO2 is high, the temperature is high, moving together in lockstep. When the CO2 is low, the temperature is low, moving together.
It is important that the world get together to face the problems which attack us as a unit.
The evidence is clear.
The globe is getting too warm.
We can avoid climate catastrophes. We can do this. We can change the world. Science offers us answers to these huge challenges.
It's one global ecosystem.
We can do this. We can change the world.
Our use of fossil fuels for energy is pushing us towards a climate unlike any seen in the history of civilization.
Adding carbon dioxide to the atmosphere warms things up.
The rise in CO2 comes from burning fossil fuels.
When you burn them, add oxygen and the CO2 that goes in the air. We're reversing the process by which they form.
We're talking about something that affects the entire earth. Problems that transcend nations. It is important that the world get together to face the problems which attack us as a unit.
The evidence is clear.
The globe is getting too warm.
We can avoid climate catastrophes. We can do this. We can change the world. Science offers us answers to these huge challenges.
It's one global ecosystem.
We can do this. We can change